Really inspiring to be back here. I cannot believe how much progress you've made. In a year's time, this is going to be a fully fledged school. The first pupils will be walking through our doors. We are focusing very much on how to care for the environment and understanding that the solutions to those things are, connected across the planet, and what better way to do that than to be working closely with a school which is 6,000 miles away in this incredibly beautiful and fertile place. We at MCS are very focused on a knowledge-rich, creative curriculum. We think it's everyone's right to have mastery of some fundamental concepts in education and to flourish and to discover who they are in a supportive environment. So that's the bedrock of what both schools is doing.
The government of Uganda embarked on the program of changing the curriculum some 4 years ago. One of the elements of the curriculum is to make sure that they prepare the students to match with the job market. So the government feels that there's a need to have students given practical skills. They are going to reduce on the number of subjects the students are doing. They are making curricular activities being compulsory, physical education. They are also making Swahili language compulsory because of East African community.
Nze ng'omusomesa asomeseza abaana okumala ebbanga eddene. Abazadde abasinga bambi mu Afrika wano naddala mu Uganda baagala okulaba nga abaana babeera mu ssomero. Naye lwakuba mbeera ey'obwavu yeereeta ki obuzibu. Naye omwana bw'abanga avuddeyo ewaka omuzadde gy'amusuubira n'ajja ku ssomero, bambi kiyambye ensi ng'eyaffe okubanga esobola okukyuka mu by'embeera y'ebyenfuna. Tekikoma awo. Tulaba nti mu mbeera y'emu era abaana basobola okubanga bafunirako ebirowoozo eby'enjawulo okuva eri bannaabwe ne kibayamba okucreatinga omuzungu kyayita a sense of citizenship. Naye tulaba singa kiba kibaawo ng'omwana azze mu ssomero, education awe bemuyambye ennyo ng'omuntu.
And tell me a little bit about the curriculum and how you bring out the full potential of the children's talents.
Now, particularly in Jollyland School, we have what we call the Jollyphonics.
Jollyphonics.
We are training children not only to read and speak and write, but we are training them for other skills. For example, it may not be all about books in future, but a child may have his or her potential. Maybe she can play football, she can play netball, she can speak before people.
In Mustardseed, we feel that it's time for us to really to probe and get discussion between the learner and the teacher. That's why we feel that the one-way traffic system is not okay. It has its own way, it is intimidating the student, it affects their brains, their thinking. The Magdalen school, they emphasize the extracurricular activities. They do make art, which is very important, which we think is something which we have not really pronounced in our schools much, which we think we can borrow from them. Mustardseed Junior School, we want to design it in such a way, it is a model school, which other people could be stakeholders, investors, whatever, they can emulate.
The things that unite are far greater than the things that divide, and that's what we see here. You can have a conversation with a head teacher here and there's a really strong sense of shared values. So it's very important to us that we are making both of our communities stronger and that there's a mutual dialogue and understanding.